What's good, YouTube, man? Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Chase, and today I'm tuning in to Doja Cat. Need to know. I don't know what I'm about to get myself into, but the last couple Doja Cat reactions I did was super fire. From her lyrics to her vocals to the concept of the songs, the music videos, it's all been fire. So I had to tune into some more. I hope you guys enjoy this. I do have way more Doja Cat on the way. I'm not sure if I heard this song or not, because I feel like there's a lot of songs that you probably hear and like you don't even know, or like I'm not even really thinking about it. You feel me? I don't have this downloaded though, so I'm assuming I haven't heard this, but we're gonna get into it. Doja Cat, man, super talented. I hope you guys enjoy this, so we're gonna get into it though. Y'all already know the vibes. Your boy Chase. Like, subscribe, comment, turn on those post notifications if you're new to the channel, and let's get into it.
Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah.
Whoa. Alright, wait, hold on. Y'all may have heard this. I don't know where I heard this at, but I feel like I know that part, and this beat sounds mad familiar too. Why are they like in some galactic type looking costumes? I don't know, but we about to find out though. Hold on. This song is a hit. This song is a hit. Like, from what I've heard of this song so far, this song is about to be a hit. She's about to go crazy. Let's get into it.
Yeah, wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah. Whoa. Baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like, yeah. Baby, I need to know. What's your size? Add, subtract, divide. Daddy don't throw no curves. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could just start at 10, then we could go to 5. I don't play with my pen, aiming what I write, yeah. Whoa. I just can't help but be sexual. Tell me your schedule. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just saying I'm flexible. I do what I can to get you off. Might just fucking with my makeup on. Eat it like I need an apron on. Either till I need to change my tone. We can do it to your favorite song. Take a ride into the danger zone. You know my nigga be bugging me. I just be wondering if you can fuck with me better. Itching for me like an ugly sweater. Need it in me like a chucking each other. I need to know. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like.
Hey, yo, somebody, hey, listen, man. I may have to holler at Doja Cat. You feel me? She talking crazy. She getting extra spicy on the kid. Hold on. First of all, if I can't even sing along with this, child. Like, hey, yo, if I sing along with this. She talking crazy, though. Like, yo, Doja, what's up, boo? If you really like that, let me know. Like, what? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Hey, 5 to 10? Boy, I could do 10 to 12. I mean, pause. I can do 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. What's up? Tell me what your schedule like. I could holler at you. You feel me? Hold on. We got to run that back, y'all. I'm so sorry. This is fire, though. Like, wildfire. The way she just flowed that, the lyrics, what she's saying, like, she asking real life questions. Like, yo, what's your side stink? Like, She talking on shit. Let's get it.
What's your size?
Subtract, divide.
Daddy don't throw no curves. Hold up, I'm going wide.
And then she look wild sexy right here. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, my fault. I had to pause it again because I had to show y'all how sexy she looking blue. Like, with the blue shit, with the glasses. I don't know. Stink, like, you may got me right here. I ain't gonna front. We could role play if you want. Like, what's up?
Start at 10, then we could go to 5. I don't play with my pen, aiming what I write, yeah.
Whoa.
I just can't help but be sexual. Tell me your schedule. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just saying I'm flexible. I do what I can to get you off. Might just fucking with my makeup on. Eat it like I need an apron on. Either till I need to change my tone. We can do it to your favorite song. Take a ride into the danger zone. You know my nigga be bugging me. I just be wondering if you can fuck with me better.
Hey, listen, Stink, if your nigga bugging you, man, we could get rid of homie. I ain't gonna cap. We can get rid of my son right now. Like, word. I could do it way better than he could. He ain't me.
You know my nigga be bugging me. I just be wondering if you could fuck with me better. Itching for me like an ugly sweater. Need an image like a checking each other. I need to know. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night.
Yeah. Whoa.
Baby, I need to know.
Ooh.
I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. You're exciting, boy, come find me. Your eyes told me, girl, come ride me. Fuck that feeling, both us fighting. Could he try? Most likely. Trying to see if you can handle the sass. Probably give his ass a panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Poof, pussy like an Alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that dick was a 10 out of 10. I can't stand it, just one.
How she know? Wait, hold on. Hey. Who I know that know her though? Like, nah, I ain't gonna front y'all. I'm gonna slide on Doja Cat DM. I don't even care if I get a response. If it's gonna give me a heart attack, a panic attack, heart attack, what she said, I'll take it. I ain't even gonna front. I'll risk it all. Hey, yo, Doja, I'll risk it all. Boo, what's up?
If I gave a random erection, probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Poof, pussy like an Alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that dick was a 10 out of 10. I can't stand it, just one night, man. Drink with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Thank me, slap me, choke me, bite me. Wait, I can take it, give a fuck about what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah.
Whoa.
Baby,
I need to know.
I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know.
I need to holler at though. I need whatever she's talking about. I ain't even gonna cap. I need whatever she's talking about. She needs to know. I need to know too. What's up? That nasty shit. We can meet like right here in the middle. You feel me? Doja Cat need to know. Wildfire. Bars, fire, delivery, fire. What she was talking about, super sexy, like wow, sexy. And the video was even dope too. I like that like super galactic vibe. Like it was weird, but it was sexy though. Like it was sexy weird. You feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. I gotta DM Doja Cat. I gotta holler at shorty, man. I'm gonna DM her 100 times too, like a stalker, cause I need to know if it's gonna give me a panic or heart attack, man. I need to find out. I'm trying to fuck around so I can find out, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction though. This was fire though. Wildfire. I got way more Doja Cat reactions on the way. Keep on tuning in. Y'all already know the vibes. Your boy Chase. Go check out some more of my reactions. And until next time, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later, word.